today's innovative and technologically advanced world, an increasing number of businesses are developing incredibly human-looking robots that'll collaborate closely with real people in the hospitality or customer service industries. In light of this, it's clear that these robots are designed to resemble humans as closely as possible and to even act like humans. Even if you think you're speaking to a human in the future, it might actually be a robot. Welcome to H-Robot, your one-stop for everything related to robotics. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more exciting videos. Let's get started. 1. Sophia. Sophia, a humanoid robot created by Hanson Robotics, a Hong Kong-based company, was the first robot to ever be granted citizenship by any nation. As of now, Sophia is a citizen of Saudi Arabia. She also enjoys enormous popularity among robots. She was created to resemble the well-known Hollywood actress Audrey Hepburn. Sophia's creator, Mr. Hanson, thinks that she will be ideal as an elderly companion in nursing homes, a crowd controller at sizable events or parks, etc. In other words, he hopes Sophia will eventually develop the necessary social skills to interact convincingly with people. 2. Nadine. The most humanoid robot in the world is Nadine. You might also be excused for thinking Nadine is a human because she has a human-like body and features. She may even recognize you from prior encounters and extend a handshake, make eye contact, or continue the conversation based on those encounters. Kokoro Japan created Nadine using a software platform created at Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. She's currently employed by AI.A Singapore as a customer service representative, an insurance company. In order to simulate human behavior, Nadine was created using cutting-edge robotics technology. To gather visual and audio inputs, she has a webcam, a microphone, and 3D depth cameras. 3. Junko Chihira. Toshiba developed Junko Chihira, a humanoid robot using technology created by Hiroshi Ishiguro, an Osaka University robotics researcher. The robot Junko was unveiled in October 2015. Junko Chihira is incredibly socially adept and has a wide range of facial expressions. A variety of technologies, including speech synthesis and natural language processing, are included in the robot. It can respond to a variety of random questions from visitors and residents. 4. Fedor, or Final Experimental Demonstration Object Research. It's also referred to as Fyodor the robot. It's a humanoid robot made in Russia, the maker of its Android techniques. After Kirobo, Fedor is the only robot to spend 10 days helping the astronauts on board the International Space Station. The robot Fedor, which debuted in 2015, underwent a number of upgrades until 2019. Fedor, formerly known as Robot Avatar, was created for rescue operations. It is able to mimic the movements of anyone wearing an exoskeleton robotic suit. 5. Jia. Jia, also referred to as the robot goddess of China, was the country's first humanoid robot. She was developed by the University of Science and Technology of China and unveiled in 2016, and she's regarded as China's most beautiful woman. Depending on the circumstance, the robot can converse and respond to people. The team's leader, Chen Xiaoping, declared that robots are capable of carrying out simple tasks like serving as an assistant in restaurants, hospitals, and households. Many of its features are human-like. 6. Rashmi. Rashmi is a female lip-syncing humanoid robot that looks like an Indian woman and can speak 4 languages, including Hindi and English. The most intriguing aspect of the Rashmi robot is its system for interpreting emotions, which enables it to express its own feelings, recognize other people's emotions, and react appropriately. Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, contacted Rashmi Robot for their Mars mission after its 2018 launch. Rashmi operates 4 layers, including speech recognition, APIs, and AI to interpret the moods and conversations. A camera with facial recognition, 3D mapping, and OCR is integrated into the eyes. Additionally, the robot has a working hand with finger motion. 7. Asimo. Asimo, a robot, is particularly adept at recognizing moving objects, postures, gestures, sounds, faces, and the environment. Additionally, it's able to distinguish between voices and faces. It is intended to support and aid the populace. It can play soccer, dance, and run. The robot is 54 kilograms and 130 centimeters tall. A lithium battery with a 51.8 volt capacity and an hour of backup power is inside. 8. Geminoid DK. A realistic android called Geminoid DK was created to study how people and robots interact. It is based on the robotic substitute operated by remote control by Danish professor Henrik Scharf. The first Geminoid to be based on a non-Japanese person is the Geminoid DK. It's also the first model with a beard. Kokoro made molds of Professor Scharf's hands, teeth, and head to make the Geminoid body. 9. Erica. Erica, another Japanese robot. Erato Intelligent Conversational Android is the expanded form of Erica. Hiroshi Ishiguro, the director of the Intelligent Robotics Laboratory at Osaka University, developed it. This female robot is 166 centimeters tall. It is regarded as the world's most beautiful robot. The world's most sophisticated and attractive humanoid was intended to be Erica. The robot, which was activated in 2015, has unique speed abilities when compared to other robots in the world. 10. CB2 Child Robot. He was created by the Japan Science and Technology Agency and is a kid-sized robot. He's 33 kilograms and 1.3 meters tall. The robot has 56 actuators instead of muscles, so its movements are fluid. It has an audio sensor, small cameras that serve as its eyes, and 197 touch sensors embedded in its gray silicon skin. With an aid of an artificial vocal cord, CB2 can also speak. 11. Pepper. The Pepper robot from SoftBank Robotics is a friendly emotion-reading assistant that can work as a receptionist in retail or even as a nanny. Tethys, an educational integrated development environment or ITE that was developed to teach students how to code, is now included with Pepper. Students can program the humanoid to move, talk, gesture, and display various messages on its screen in real time using the software. The company hopes that this initiative will motivate a new group of roboticists and engineers. 12. A.A. A.A., the world's first ultra-realistic artist robot, controls its arms and creates art using artificial intelligence and a camera in her eyes. It was established as A.A. in February 2019. Her work demonstrates a significant integration of technology into modern society, given that different people's perspectives on art vary. 13. Walker. Walker, on the other hand, is a robot created by Hubitech Robotics to work alongside people in their homes. The humanoid was created with manipulators with 7 degrees of freedom to perform household chores and manage smart homes. Compared to the robot of the previous generation, it is lighter and more energy efficient. 14. Atlas. The huge humanoid robot Atlas can maneuver objects and walk over uneven ground. Although it has a Terminator-like appearance, it was created as a rescue robot for the DARPA Robotics Challenge. The Atlas humanoid was created by Boston Dynamics for the DARPA Robotics Challenge or DRC. 15. Vyomitra. The Indian Space Research Organization created the female-looking humanoid robot Vyomitra to work on the crewed orbital spacecraft Gaganyaan. On January 22, 2020, Vyomitra made her debut at the Human Spaceflight and Exploration Symposium in Bengaluru. It can imitate human behavior, identify other people, and answer their questions. What do you feel about these human-like robots? Will they replace human beings and excel in everything that they do? Maybe in the future, robots can stroll around the streets. Hope you liked our video. For more such amazing content, subscribe to our channel.